The Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the
Hello everybody, I'm Felicia with the Crafting Nook. Y'all please, this is why I got this up in y'all face. Because I got a project down there that y'all don't need to see. Not yet, okay? No peeking, okay? But I removed this from out of the mold. Alright, that's what I got. It looks really pretty. It does look pretty. I haven't taken the other one out of the mold yet, so I'm gonna try to do that slowly. Y'all gonna see anyway. Oh gosh. Oh, don't look hard, y'all. All right, this is the front. This is the back. I like it. It's rather cool, isn't it? It's rather cool. Those mirror. What do you call it? Mirror glitter. It made all the difference in here. You know, it looks really nice. So I'm gonna take a picture and get you off of this video, because I know you can see different little things. You know, it's something I got to do over. All right, so don't worry about it. Anyway, the other video was quite long, so this one will not be long. This is just showing you the ending effect of it. And I appreciate all of you for watching. I appreciate, I had some resin sent in to me. I appreciate that, because it takes resin for me to do my work, do my creativity. So, you know, if you have it extra to spend or whatever, send it my way for the resin. Like, I always need resin, alcohol, gloves, and cups. And paper towels. Well, not paper towels, I get them myself, but I always need that stuff. That stuff is needed to make videos. All right, so I'm gonna tell y'all, you know, be nice, say something nice to someone, please. It always helps to say something nice. I'm trying to get this out of my hand. Oh gosh, you still see. Say something nice to someone, okay? It always helps. Be positive in whatever you do, okay? And I love you all, okay? I love you. Happy Sunday, all right? See you later.